to organize home screen on Redmi Note 15. First of all, let's start from removing everything that we don't want to get on the screen. So we can do that by clicking and holding empty space on the home screen, and now just selecting every application that we want to remove. And in my case, I'm gonna remove everything. I'm gonna only stay with the settings. So now we have to click on this icon at the top to get rid of everything. And the folders we have to actually delete manually by clicking, holding, and then dragging at the top. The same for widgets. So if you want to remove some widgets, click on it, select remove, and simply keep doing this like that. Now if you want to change position of every icon, you have to click and hold it, and now drag wherever you want. And here I have to also get rid of those folders. There we go. And now if you want to put here some other widgets, you have to click and hold empty space one more time and go to the widgets. Now as you can see, you can find here a lot of different widgets. Let's say you want to put a calculator. You are often doing that using this, so you have to click on it once. Now click and hold it and place it on the screen that you want, like that. Now you have to click done, and when you click and hold it, some of the widgets you can even resize by here you will get the additional option, but for this widget it's not resizable, so we can use this only in this size. Now when we want to change some other settings of the home screen, we have to also click and hold and click on the settings. Now as you can see, we can get the option for the transition effect, so the way how the screen looks when we change it. Take a look, I'm gonna show you. As you can see, it's some kind of the cube screen. I'll put a home screen for another one just to show you. As you can see, this is the different behavior of the screen. And let's go there one more time for those settings. We can also set the default screen. So if you have multiple home screens, you can set this one that will set as default, and you can do this by clicking on it. So now every time I will go back into the home screen, I will go back to this second screen instead of the first one. And there's also another option over here. We can lock the home screen layout by the way, so nobody will be able to change something. Take a look. If I'm gonna click and hold on this icon, as you can see, I cannot move it. It's locked. So to unlock it, we have to go back, go to the settings, and unlock it. By going to the more settings, we can also disable that option with this application, Google application over here. But also there's option to change size of the home screen, so you can get like more icons if you want. We can set even 5:9, 4:7, or 4:6. This is the default option. And yeah, that's all for this video. I hope you find this video useful.